Characteristics of sound. Audible sounds are classified into two groups, namely musical sound and noise. A musical sound is that which the vibrations of the sounding body are periodic, follow each other regularly and rapidly without any sudden change in loudness. The sound produced from vibrating string and air column are examples of a musical sound. In noise, the vibrations are irregular and periodic with sudden change in loudness. The sound produced when a steel plate falls down, the report of a gun, etc. are examples of noise. Characteristics of musical sound are loudness, intensity, pitch, and quality. Make a diaphragm by tying stretched balloon at the mouth of a steel tumbler. Check the difference in the sounds produced when the diaphragm is tapped gently and with force. There is no change in the natural frequency of the diaphragm for gentle and strong taps. When it's tapped strongly, it gets more energy and thus the energy of the sound also increases. Look at the graph. When tapped strongly, amplitude of the sound increases as compared to gentle tap. That is, when the energy of vibration increases, the sound energy also increases. The high intense sound increases the amplitude of vibration of the eardrum and consequently audibility also increases. If intensity of sound is low, audibility will decrease.